Hi, good morning, my friend. How are you? I hope everybody doing well. Today I will show you how to fix the water mixer in your shower area. Uh, let's see. First of all, we need to check the measurement with the mixer according with the league mixer. So we will test it first. After that, we will remove it. As you see now in this test, in the extender leg of the mixer is in parallel with the mixer. So we will remove the mixer. Then the next step, we need to remove the leg mixer with the extender socket of the pipe. We will remove both of them, the hot water and cool water. Then we will apply the Teflon tape for all this accessory. Each part we need to do around 14, 15 till 16 round of Teflon tape. This is the regular basis of how to apply the Teflon tape to avoid any leakage. So we will apply for all these four accessory, the extender socket and mixer leg wall. I mean the mixer leg wall for the wall. As you see the application, please follow this instruction and you can do it for yourself. Sometime no need plumber if you just follow this video, so you can fix it yourself. So we will tidy it by hand first. So we will connect the mixer wall leg with the extender socket to reach to the supply wall, supply pipe for hot and cold water. After that, we need to use the spanner. So we'll adjust the spanner, or you can use the wrench as well, as I am doing now. So slowly tied it in the clockwise direction. So now we need to check the with the mixer is if in parallel or no. We need more adjustment. You can adjust, and by adjusting you can you need to test both hot and cold water pipe, and you need also to check the leveling should be immaculate. So as you see now, we need to make more adjustments to make more adjustable, and the connector should be in parallel with the wall mixer legs. So now the level is correct. So we will fix first also this the cover of the wall leg mixer, both side for hot and cold water is around the tip. After fixing the cover, we will proceed to fix the mixer. As you see, so we'll tighten it manually. After that, we'll use the wrench or the monkey plier or any adjustable plier. We'll tighten it in the clockwise direction. Slowly tighten it. Now we need to fix the shower head pipe. Shower head pipe also you can adjust. You can make it long or short. In the shower head pipe there is one bracket support on the wall. As you see, we need to make it level and hold it on the wall by creating 3 holes and tied it by screw. So now we need to mark which hole we need to make on the wall. So we will make the 3 holes. Here in this case you need to check the direction of the pipe, concealed pipe, to avoid any hitting with the drilling. The supply should be very far from the middle of the shower head pipe. So we will make these 3 holes. Then we will fix this shower head bracket and tied it accordingly. As you see, I am explaining in details. I don't want to skip any stage because I need to show you in details how to fix it from A to Z. So now we need to clean this shower mixer because this dust coming from the drill. So we will fix now the shower head pipe. If you need to adjust it up down, you have the, you can do it. Now with the Allen key, we need to tie it with this bracket to avoid any movement, to make it stable. So now time to fix the shower head. And as I told you, you can make it up and down easily.
Adjustable.
So I believe the work is almost finished. Now the next step, we need to fix the hand shower held. Also it will be adjustable depending on the taller of the person. You can make it up and down by sliding this bracket socket and tied it accordingly. So we will connect it. We will connect the shower handheld.
Now we'll test, right?
Yes.
Now time for testing. Shower head held is working. And manually we can transfer the water to the head shower. Now the flow of the water is medium. You can increase accordingly. Okay, my friend, thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Thanks.